Because I'm icy.
Hey everyone, it's Trish. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thanks for stopping by. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. If not, welcome back. And also be sure to turn on that bell so you guys are notified whenever I'm uploading my videos. And also be sure to follow me on all my social media, especially Instagram, because that's is where you guys can keep up with me the most. And that's where I post a lot of my looks, even if I don't record the look. So yes, be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms. My name for my social media accounts will be listed down below in the description box. So today's look was something very soft and neutral. I have not done something this soft in a while, and so I wanted to record this look, and I hope you guys like it. Everything I used for this tutorial will be listed down in the description box as well. And if you guys want to see how I got this video, stay tuned in and keep on watching. Do not leave here without hitting that subscribe button, hit that bell, and also hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Hey everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. So for today's look, I will be featuring the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. So the first shade I'm using is this orange burgundy shade called Juvia, and I'm going to be placing that in my crease. That will be my first crease shade. And now I'm taking this brown shade called Yoded, and I'm going to be using it to blend out that burgundy shade, or that first shade that I just used. Now I'm just going back in with that first shade, and I'm just trying to further bring out that pigment. And I'm just going back in with that brown shade, and I'm just blending that out. Now I'm going with this darker brown shade called Kufuru, and I'm using that to make this eye look up here a little bit more warmer. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm using this to cut my crease. Now, I'm not going to be creating a full cut crease because I wanted to do this gradual ombre look. So we are not going to be doing a complete cut crease today. We're just going to drag it all the way out just so we can have more eye space to work with, if that makes sense. As you guys can see already, I did take that backdrop down, the glitter backdrop that I had in my last video. It made my video look extremely bright, and I did not like the lighting. It just made the video look crazy, in my opinion. So I took it down, and I really like the way it looks now. So this is what I'm going to stick with. Going back into that shade, I'm taking the third shade that we use called Kufuru, and I'm using that to put down as the first, I want to say the first, well, the outer shade. I'm going to say the outer shade. Then I'm going back in with that burgundy shade or that orange shade, and I'm placing it right next to that brown. And you guys are going to see me take my blending brush, and I'm going to use I'm going to blend the two shades together so it's a gradual effect and we don't have no harsh lines. Now going to my Morphe 25A palette, I'm taking this light brown shade called Sunrise, and I'm putting that all over my lid. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Once I'm done, I'm just going to fuse the colors together so this look looks like a complete ombre eye look. You see how easy this look is, you guys? Like, this look is really pretty. This is probably one of my favorite type of looks to do, just because it's just I don't want to say it's not simple, but it's really easy, and you still look bomb AF. Like, you know, you just still look good. So we're gonna go in with a little dazzle. We're gonna use a little bit of glitter. I'm taking my Cake Your Face glitter in the shade Suga Mama, and I'm using the dual lash adhesive, and it's the clear one with the little wine, and I'm just gonna be placing the glitter on top. Y'all, please excuse this moon in the middle of my forehead. It looks ridiculous. My skin's just been acting a little crazy lately. And I'm just using my eyeshadow brush to blend that out. I'm putting up my lashes, and I went ahead and completed my face, well, my base off camera, and I popped on my liner and my lashes off camera as well. You guys see that all the time, so I just decided to take it out. Now I'm just using my NYX Jumbo Eye pencil in the shade Milk to put on my waterline. Now I'm going back into the palette, and I'm using Yoded again, and I'm just gonna be smudging that on my bottom eye area. Taking my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, I'm just gonna be popping that on, or putting that on my lower lash line. Going into my Juvia's Place Sahara 2 blush palette. I don't know if it's the 2 or the first one. I'm using this shade called Tau or Tai. I don't know how you guys pronounce that. I don't know how you pronounce that word, but I'm using it as my blush today. And I'm using my Morphe Fine Mist Setting Spray, and I'm spraying that all over my face. Y'all gonna see me eyeing my sister down because she was just irking me. I'm using my Juvia's Place highlighter in the color called Royalty. Or shade. I'm not gonna say color, but the shade. Now I'm using my lip liner in the shade Club Hopper, and my lip gloss called Curvy 2 from ColourPop. Here she go, y'all, just cutting up, really just cutting up, irking my nerves in this video. I was really just trying to record, and she was just there disturbing me. And we have reached the end of this video, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like the look. Like I always say, everything is listed down in the description box. Please be sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. Also follow me on my social media so you guys can keep up with me, and I will see y'all in my next one.
Just